I hope you're having an amazing day. As you saw from the title of this video, today we're going to be talking about my favorites. So this is regarding makeup, of course. So these are products that I've literally been using across my get ready with me videos, my mini get ready with me videos. I've talked about them many a time. I've talked about them for years. So it's just kind of like to reiterate my favorites and products that I've been loving, because I know I have a couple of new subscribers, so welcome. So let's go ahead and get into it. If you want to see the products that I've been loving and obsessed with and literally repurchased 100 times, just keep on watching. So let's go based on the way that I do my makeup. So a lot of these are like paired because these are products that I literally use together all the time for no specific reason. I just feel like they work together well. And all these products I actually do have on my face, so great. So let's go ahead and start off with my SHEGLAM. You guys have seen this product in many a video. So this is called the Brows on Demand 2-in-1 brow pencil in the shade chocolate. Literally what I have on my brows today. I've talked about it many times, showed you guys many times. You guys have seen me apply it, you guys have seen it in action. I just love this product. I purchase it all the time. So it does come with this like marker side. It's like a thin kind of vibe. So I do go ahead and use the pen side to kind of sketch out the brow. And then I use the pen to kind of lightly go in and fill them in. And I just love how they leave my brows. Are they perfect? No, but it's just like a comfort product that I reach for. And I just love how my brows look. And I have a good makeup day when I use this product. It's also really inexpensive. And I literally purchased them in bulk on the Shein website. So love this. And you guys have seen in my yearly wrap up empties video, I literally use up a ton of these. So yeah, love this. And I do also pair it with this Revolution laminate brow fixer. I don't know what it is, like ever since I used it, I'm just kind of been using it. I guess I really like how it leaves my brows, and it feels like they just don't move. They don't feel like crunchy or anything, but it's just like the perfect product for me. I honestly, like every time I use this, I question myself because it is like white, so it goes on and it's pretty much clear. It doesn't really leave any residue. It doesn't leave any residue unless you really like pack it on. But I'm like, is this supposed to be a brow set or is this supposed to do something else? I don't know, but it works great as a brow set, so that's what I've been using it as. But also Revolution, super inexpensive. Love their products. I do have a couple other Revolution products in here, but yeah, love these. Next, I would go in with primer. I wasn't gonna mention it, but I've really been loving this C Lux, the Prep Me Up face primer, and this is basically an alleged dupe of the NYX marshmallow primer. Just a quick little shout out. I was not going to mention it, but this is the one that I've been using these days. I just like it. It blurs my skin. Just love to pair this with my already #1 product that I cannot put down. I already repurchased this a ton of times. Again, I vouch for myself because you guys can see that my empties videos, you guys see these products repeated all the time because I love them and genuinely purchase them. I love them, spending my money on them, love them. So this is the e.l.f. Camo CC cream in medium 330W. So this is what I have on the face today. Amazing. I just love how I just have a good makeup day when I use this product, and I just really love how it looks. I do have oily skin, so I do set it down with a powder that I'm gonna show you guys, but I really love this product. Also do pair it with my fave e.l.f. concealer as well. So this is a 16-hour camo concealer in the shade medium beige. Love this. Love the giant doe foot applicator. Also love how it just like leaves my under eyes looking good. And I pair that with the LA Colors Conceal Correct in peach. So again, you guys have seen all these products many a time on my channel. So I do go in with the peach one first, just a little bit, and then I go in with my concealer, and girl, chef's kiss. I just love how it looks. It looks amazing. So these are the face products that like prep me up and already give me a good base going, so I have a good day ahead of me, and amazing. Next, I would go in with my powder. Oh girl, I'm about to break it, Jesus. Okay, so you guys have seen this product. I purchased a ton of these from Camo CC recently, and good thing too because I just love this product. Also, I really love their pink powder. You guys remember I was obsessed with that as well. But this is the AOA Studio Flawless Pressed Powder in the shade M1. So I think this was supposed to be like a powder foundation. I don't remember, but I use it as just a powder. but I guess you can use it on its own as well, girl. I already hit pan on this one. Again, M1 seems to be the one that works for me, so I do go ahead and use this on the under eyes and all over the face. I used to go in with my pink powder on the under eyes and this all over the face, but I don't know what happened, I forgot. But anyway, I use this on the under eyes and it looks great. It can be a little dark sometimes, but honestly with the products that I pair together, it always like comes together nicely. So I don't think the under eyes look dark at all, but next time I'm gonna go in with my pink powder because that one also is amazing and smoothing. Let me see if it's next to me. Hold on. Oh, that's why I haven't been using it, because I ran out. Okay, but that one's also amazing from Camo CC. So yeah, this one's great. Definitely check this out. And this is what I, for sure, like to guarantee that my face will last, I pair setting spray, specific setting spray that I'm going to talk about in a little bit, the powder, and my foundation and concealer from e.l.f. So all of those give me a good makeup base. So that's why you see them so many times in all videos. Recently I've been into using this bronzer. I don't know why, because sometimes like if you do pack it on too much, it can be a little patchy. I think it's just a shade. This is a Juicy Couture bronzer, and I specifically like this one. I have another one that has like gold in it. Yeah, I don't like a shimmery bronzer that much, but this one is their matte bronzer. I think this is in the shade tan. It is a little like orangey vibes for me, but this is what I've been reaching for. I don't know why. I don't know if it's the packaging, the product, I don't know, but I have it on the face today and I just really like how it looks. So I've been reaching for this quite a bit. I also have been loving these little mini palettes from LA Colors. So we have this one here in the classics. I just went ahead and grabbed this one because it is a more like neutral one. I also did use this one today on the eyes. It's like a very like the name implies, just a classic palette. So in this palette you get 3 mattes and 1 shimmer. Great. And then I also did mention this in my girly vlog, but this is not my ultimate favorite palette of these little babies. They have quite a few. I have 5 of them and I did swatch them in that girly vlog. I'm gonna have it down below so you can watch. But yeah, so I did go ahead and swatch all of these, but this is the one that I used today. Again, the classics, and they have some other little palettes, different color stories and different like variations, combinations of mattes and shimmers. But again, this is the one that I have on the eyes today. I really wanted to go for something neutral and it gave me what I wanted. So this one's so good, from the Dollar Tree, and yeah, adorable. And they're like nice and compact, and if you're a makeup on the go kind of girly, I think you're really gonna enjoy these little mini palettes. So these are like what I've been reaching for these days. I just really enjoy these. Let's talk eyeliner. These are the two that I've been pairing, and very convenient because they both come from the same brand. These are both Covergirl eyeliners. So I love using this one on the lower lash line or the waterline, and this is called the Covergirl Exhibitionist 24-hour kohl eyeliner. This is so good. It's just so nice and black and pigmented. I just love the like how dark it is, and also does not smudge. So love that, and also does last throughout the day as well. So this, along with my Covergirl liner, this is the Exhibitionist Lash Enhancing Liquid Eyeliner. I think this is just in the shade black. Yeah, matte black. So good. Now I always forget and I like shake it, but there's like nothing to shake in here. But this is literally the liner that I have on the eyes. Also a product that does not dry out easily. I literally have been using it for quite a while now. I think this is the one that was sent to me, and it's so good. So once I'm out, I'm definitely going to repurchase. It's just really good. I love that it's matte. It does dry down matte, but it's also really nice and black. And again, another product that lasts throughout the day and does not fade away. That's like the worst thing a liner can do to me. And you guys know I love my liners. Another liner that I use today is this one over top that Covergirl liner. I just like to use these little like metallic liners, and I love using like glitter liners from Metallic Deluxe as well to give my shadows a little bit of a pop, especially when I'm not wearing a shimmer on the lid. So this is the LA Colors Metallic Liquid Eyeliner. Yes, and this one's in the shade Champagne Gold. I have been buying their blue one. They also have a purple one, and these are so good. So they look like so, and it just again just gives you a little hint of a little something on the eyes. And I like to just go over top my already existing liner just a little bit, and it just gives you a little bit of a pop. So really love this. I also really love the Away Studio Vivid liquid liners as well. You guys have seen those a ton of times, as well as those glitter liners from Metallic Deluxe are amazing. So love any like accent product that are easy to use. Perfect. Another goodie that I've been using nonstop. I was originally going to do 10 favorites, but girl, it's just like a lot of goodies. So I've really been loving this Rimmel London mascara. I don't know why, I've just been reaching for it, and it's the one that's like my comfort mascara at the moment. So this is what I reach for, especially when a mascara is dried out or it's not working. I'm like, girl, let me go ahead and grab the Rimmel one. So this is called the Wonder Bonding Serum Mascara. So it looks like so. I don't know what it is. This is in the shade Black. I believe this was one that was sent to me. There's a look at the wand. It's just a really nice size, and it's perfect to get on the upper and the lower lashes. And this one doesn't smudge on me. It's not a super wet formula. I do have to like be careful, you know, you don't want to poke your eye because it does have a spiky wand. But yeah, this one's the one that I've been reaching for some reason these days, and it just works great. So you can see it on the lower lashes, on the upper, it works great, gives me a little bit of volume. I don't really use it too much on the upper lashes. It's just to kind of give them a little bit of a coat for my falsies to go on, but this is a goodie. Let's do my lip combo before I forget to take this with me, girl. We have my EBIN NY Secret of Pharaoh auto lip liner. I told you guys that they finally, after a long time, restocked these on their site. So I did buy a ton of their dark brown at my local like general discount, and then I came across these on their site again. So I went ahead and bought a ton of backups. So this is the one in brown, and it's what I have on my lips today. And it's basically just a retractable lip liner, but this is like the perfect shade of brown. I'm just living for this. So it's literally my fave. I also love JCat Beauty auto lip liners as well. I'd say if I can choose, I would go with JCat, but they're just hard to find. So they're just kind of expensive if you want to buy them on Amazon. They're like $10 a piece, which is crazy. But EBIN NY, you guys know it's a ride or die. I literally use a ton of these again in my massive yearly empties. You guys saw I use like 30 of these or something throughout the year. So these are so good. I also love to pair it with this product from Ofra. This is their long-lasting liquid lipstick, another goodie. And this is in the shade Sao Paulo. It's so cute. Literally, again, this is my combo right now. I used this earlier. I was gonna film this look, but girl, I really needed to get my Dollar Tree haul filmed and then this favorites video. But there's a look at that shade. It's just a beautiful nude, but it's like not too bright, not too dark. It's like a perfect shade. So I love these two together. And then when I do want to use a gloss, I actually discovered this one today. This is a Revolution Pout Balm Plumping Lip Gloss. This is not necessarily a favorite, like I haven't been using it non-stop, but it's a cute little like shout out because it looks stunning on the lips. So I did go ahead and pair it with my lip combo, and this is so cute in the shade Milky Sheer Hollow. So I love that it comes with the ginormous doe foot applicator. Oh, so good. So love that. Amazing. And Revolution, girl, they have amazing products. So good. And it is also a plumping lip gloss, but I did feel a little bit of a something in the beginning. Like it smells like vanilla, but when you put it on, it kind of has a little whiff of plumping in it. Like you can smell it, but I don't feel anything. So, but I mean, my lips look good, so maybe it did plump me up. I don't know. And lastly, my baby, which let me go ahead and grab my other one that's right here. Both of these are amazing, and both of them were actually sent to me a long time ago, but I did go ahead and repurchase these recently. So we have the Revolution Super Fix Super Hold Misting Spray, girl. Do I even have to say anything? You guys know I like to do like my setting spray cocktails. So when I am using a new setting spray, I like to go over top with this just to ensure that my makeup will last throughout the day. I feel like I'm speed talking. I do go in with this because it's amazing, girl. So this is an aerosol spray can. It's amazing. It smells really good. It's inexpensive. Again, Revolution has amazing products. And then I did go ahead and repurchase my all-time fave Revolution Sports Fix Lasting Hold Fixing Spray, which I did use today. And again, another amazing setting spray from Revolution. So either one you go with, both of them, I feel like they just keep my makeup on throughout the day, and I just know that I'm gonna have a good makeup day when I use these. So amazing. These are an equivalent to me of the Urban Decay All Nighter. These are just like my go-tos. It's giving one size setting spray that you know your makeup's gonna last. It's giving hairspray on the face vibes. It's so good, and these smell amazing as well. So they don't smell like hairspray, but yeah, giving that equivalent where I know once I throw this on, everything's gonna last. So love these. And that was the last product in today's favorites. Let me know, are any of my favorites your favorites? Let me know in the comments down below. Don't forget to hype up this video. I know that's like a new feature here on YouTube, so if you can please hype it up, that would be amazing, if you like the video, of course. And then I will be adding this to my makeup favorites playlist, which I haven't done a favorites video in a long time, girl. So that's gonna be down below if you want to check out my past ones. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe before you leave, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.